Hello programmers, Spidey is back. So in this video I'm going to tell about a very interesting topic. The topic is how you can make a money with the machine learning. Yes, this is the trending topic. Lots of people search on the Google and YouTube. So we can say this is the very trending topic. So from the last few days, not a days, from the last few months, I'm getting the questions on the Instagram. Please tell me how you can make the money with the machine learning. So this is not an easy trick and this is not even harder. You just need to have a good skill so you can make the easily money with the machine learning. So first let me clear and explain about myself if you don't know. Lots of people know me. I'm Kushal Bhavsar. I'm the founder of this machine learning hub community. So if you want to know more about me, then just go to the Google and search Spidey 20 in Google. You will get the lots of information related to me. So now let me start about this topic. So before starting, you can just subscribe our Machine Learning Hub channel. You can visit channel at once. If you like the content, then just click on the red subscribe button. It will help a lot to grow our community. So let's see how we can make the money with the machine learning. So these all are the steps which I have just written here, but I am following these steps. So that's why I'm making the money with the machine learning. So from the around last 6 to 7 months, I'm making money with making a very good money with the machine learning. So what you need? So the answer is the you need to have a very good knowledge and skill into machine learning. Not even machine learning. You need to have good programming skill like web development, designing, and all like competitive programming, Python programming, any other languages also like C, C sharp. You need to have a good knowledge in the IT and programming language. Then you can earn money with the machine learning. So if you are a student, then you need to follow this. Yeah, I am also a student, but I'm in the third year of the BTech, but still I am making money with the machine learning. So how you can make the money with machine learning? So these all are the steps. So let me clear and explain every step by step. So first step is error solving. So what do you mean by error solving? So just understand, uh, if I'm creating some program and I'm creating some project, okay. Now if I get the error, now sometime what happen, error irritates me for the days and weeks. So what I will do, I will go to find some person on the internet. If the person can solve my error, then I need to pay to that person. So this is the simple and easiest way to earn money. So just you need to have a good profile. See, this is my GitHub profile. You can see my followers, my repositories. So lots of people knows me on the GitHub. So if someone is creating a project for their own purpose, but if they get the error, then obviously they will find some technical and good person on the internet. Okay. So if your profile is good and trending, so they can find you or they can email you via your email, or they can contact you via any other social platform. So now what you have to do, you have to understand, so first of all you have to create some strategies for the error solving. Means you need to be some professional if you want to solve the error. So then you need to understand their code. Actually this is a tough task to understand someone code, but you need to do it if you want to earn the money. So understand their code and solve the error. If you can solve the error, then obviously the person, they will pay you a lot, means what you are demanding. So that's the one way you can earn money. So in this error solving you can make the money, but it's not like you can earn thousands and crore, but still you can make the money. So simple it is, like you can earn in around $5 or $10. That depends on the error. Now second is a project building. So project building means what? If you see in our Indian education, lots of students need to build their final year project. So now what students are doing actually in this Corona and COVID-19 times, students don't want to create their project by self. They are just finding on the internet and they are just paying for the project. So now what you have to do, you have to create the project for the all the topics which are in the trending in machine learning, deep learning, Java, or whatever language do you like, but it should be with the machine learning if you want to earn good money. So create a project which has which are all related to the machine learning. Okay, now you have to do some marketing for this project. So how you can make the marketing? So this open, like, see, this is my repository, so this is open source code, but I have made the I have created the some GUI for this project, and then I am advertising this project into the my GitHub profile. If person want to use open source code, then they can directly download my repository. But if a person want a full GUI code, then just need to go to this link here, and people can download my project from my site, or directly they can contact me. So actually I have created lots of the ready-made projects for the final year student, so they can pay and get the project. If they need any suggestion, they can directly contact me. So that's the second and another way how you can make the money. So this is all are the simple and very easiest way. Now third is the session. So what do you mean by session? So session means if you know something very well, like if you know Python, data science, machine learning very well, then you can take the online lectures and online sessions. So for the online sessions, you can join any like social and teaching platform like Udemy. Otherwise, the another option is that you can build your own website, and then you can take the session. So if you take the session, then you can charge some amount of the money for one session or for one course. That depends on you. Even you can take the project. You can take the project explanation session. Means if someone buys project from you, so now they will contact you after buying project from you, and they will like, please explain me this project. I will pay. So that's also could be a session. So let me show you something. So this is my recently session which I have taken around 10 days ago. This is on the bank loan production system. So I take session on the Cisco WebEx or Google Zoom. So you can see this is a screenshot of the lecture. So you can take the chart according to your session, or that depends on you, but you can make good money with the session also. Now another is a guidance. Now what do you mean by guidance? Guidance in simple means if this is only for the college student. If there like there are lots of college students, or they are making project. Now the thing is that people all of the students know they doesn't get any proper guidance from the college and faculties. So what they are doing, they are finding different companies in their respective area, and go to the company and pay lots of much to the company. So instead of that, you can create, or you can directly contact to the student. Just you need to guide the project. First of all, you need to understand what is the project of the student and group. Then you can guide them in project. So they will pay you the money of the project guidance. So this is very but you need to have a lots of knowledge for the project development. Then you can use this way to make a money with the machine learning. So you need to have a lots of knowledge regarding machine learning, OpenCV, image processing, and all the technical things. Then you can guide someone. Otherwise, if you cannot guide someone properly, then it will create a bad reputation for you. So understand this thing. Don't directly jump into this master step. First of all, you need to create yourself by error solving, because after lots of error solving, you will be a master of any other languages and any other things. Now this is the most and important, freelancing. So there are lots of websites available for the freelancing. You can just go to the sign in and do the registration. You will get the lots of freelancing project, but you should be very precise on the work. But actually I'm not preferring freelancing for the student, because I am also doing freelancing, but I am not doing on the official site. I'm getting projects on the freelancing via some like email and other resources. Because in freelancing site, if you are student, obviously I can understand you will not get the proper timing. to do freelancing project. But in the freelancing site you have to submit your work before time. So if you can do it, then obviously you will get the bad reviews, and you will get the bad reputation in the freelancing, and it not should be on the freelancing site. So you have to maintain your, if you are student but still you can manage, then this is the good option. You can earn lots of money with the freelancing, but you have to be very precise and very accurate about your freelancing project timing and deadline, then you can do freelancing. Now the another is hackathon and challenges. Yeah, okay, so this is in these steps you will not get more and much money, but you will get the lots of knowledge. So you can take a part in the hackathon and challenges. If you are a best in the field, then you can win the hackathon, and you can win and get the challenge prize, money and all. Even you will get a good name and publicity also. But in this part you can learn very much and more things, because you are taking part in the hackathon. You can make your own community. If you take part in the hackathon, then you will get a lots of new people, lots of new ideas. So you can create a more of projects from this hackathon idea and challenges, then you can sell this project also. Then you can make the money with hackathon and challenges also. Even you can learn more of the things with the hackathon. So this is the most important steps in a way. In this step you can learn and earn, both the things you can maintain here. Now another is sell your project online. Now what okay, so here I've written a project which you created for practice purpose. So what I mean that, so basically the thing is that if you start with the something, then you need to create a lots of projects and lots of things if you want to learn. Like if I when I started my journey with the Python machine learning, I created lots of project for just a learning purpose. Okay, but then I got an idea why I'm not selling this project. So then I created my store. Let me show you. So this is my online store where people can buy the projects ready made. So these all are the ready made projects people can buy from it. Means, yeah, they can buy from this store. All of the things like payment gateway is available in this site. So people will get the ready made code, and you will get the amount. Means you will get the money. So these all are the project which I have created for the practice purpose when I was means I when I was doing my learning with the machine learning. But then I got the idea why I'm not uploading this project into the store. So that's why I created this store, and now I'm selling this project. And recently, from the last few months, I'm getting very good earning with this store. So that's how you can make the money. So already I have told many things how you can make the money with the machine learning. Now eighth step is take part in the Google Cloud challenges. Sorry, not a cloud, Google challenges on swags and reputation. So in this all are the money making process. The most important step is your reputation. If you have a good reputation, then obviously you will get a lots of work. Like, see, this is my GitHub profile. Like, my profile is very reputed, and daily I got lots of email from the types of the kinds of the people. Like, they are sending me error, I'm solving error. Sometimes I solve error in free, sometimes I charge for the error solving, but it depends on the work. So recently I completed my work with the one Saudi Arabia projects. This It was a very small project, but I take the good money from it. Even my client is also satisfied with my work, and they contact me via my GitHub profile and via my YouTube channel. So end of the day, your reputation is very much important. So create your good profile, then people will attract towards you and your work. You will get the work. So now take part in Google challenges. So what I mean that, so Google launched a daily challenge like crowdsource challenge, Google Cloud 30 days challenge. So recently I take part in this Google Cloud 30 days challenge. So I completed this and I got the confirmation mail. They will send me a swags, a Google t-shirt and bags on my address. So I can upload the swags on the internet sites on the LinkedIn or Git any other social platform. So I can get the good reputation, and end of the day I will get the work also from the different kinds of the people. So this is Google Cloud 30 days challenge. I have completed this, and recent after 20 or 30 days I will get the my swag also on my house, my home address. So I think I have cleared all of the things. So this that's how you can make a money with the machine learning. But you need to have a very good knowledge with a programming and Python and all other things. But the another thing is that you need to have explanation skill also. If you cannot explain to someone, then they will not give you proper money. They will give you bad reviews of your work. So you need to have good explanation skill. So I hope I have covered all the things. If you have any doubt, then just comment down, like and share this video as much as possible, because this will help you a lots of people. Subscribe Machine Learning Hub if you have more ideas, and then you can we can discuss in the comment section. So I hope it's clear your all of the doubts. So guys, start making money with the machine learning, and like and share this video. Thanks for the listening me. So guys, see you in the next one.